You are in for a treat. Let's go. All right, do you all remember this lovely piece? Well, today we are going to try to emulate this with some different colors, and I'm gonna go for a dramatic effect. Here are my color choices for today, and I will go over these shortly. Some of these are custom mixed colors, but I will give you all of that as well. I am still using the same old pillow, which is Color Place Satin White, purchased at Walmart. I've been using this pillow for a while, not because it is my favorite, but because I bought 3 gallons of it. We are going to be working once again with our palette knife, and I want to give you a big tip that I have quickly learned with working with this type of tool. As you'll see today, when you swipe over your colors, we're going to call this riding the wave. You need to ride your CA in those colors. So you want to have your tool slightly bent up so that your spatula can catch all the colors and distribute it well across your canvas. Here we go. This cup is dry. I am just recycling. We're going to start the bottom of our cup with a little bit of this custom mixed color. So we definitely have an interesting set of colors here. I'm hoping that we're going to get some good reactions. I strategically placed a couple colors beside each other, like the magenta and the Payne's gray, because they typically react very well to each other. I also put an interference, Pebeo, blue-black iridescent. So here we go. I'm going to lay my color down. This is going to be very interesting. So I'm just getting the paint moving a bit, trying to stretch it out just a little bit so that I get a really good swipe. All right, now I'm adding some black to the mix. Ideally, this is going to give me a lot of reaction. So I'm not going to put black around the entire part because I'm kind of going for this gradient thing. So I want the black to really be heavy up here and then to flow down more to the white cell activator. I have no clue if this is going to come out the way that I want it to, but we will find out together. So I'm going to apply my cell activator. We're going to give this a good spinaroo. Ooh, that was a really good swipe. I'm gonna swipe again because I didn't get the whole thing. But yes, I'm getting what I wanted. All those colors are mixing in. There's that little bit of black I was telling you guys about. And the good thing is you get to watch it kind of develop a little bit as I'm just putting a little bit more on here. Ooh, this is gonna be so good, y'all. Oh man, I don't even want to do anything to this, but we have to, so we will. Look, y'all. I'm trying not to get plumb crazy on this camera because I'm ready to go take a lap and jump and scream, but I'm trying to keep my composure because this is exactly what I wanted. Now the black, it's not showing up quite as much because I didn't get a good swipe over it, but that's all right. Look at that goodness, that cell and lacing goodness. So we're gonna take this down for a spin. Y'all, okay, I'm not touching it no more. Whoo! Whoo-wee! Oh my gosh. Let me get y'all in for a close-up. Y'all, look there. Y'all remember that little bit of black I was telling y'all about? There it is. That orange, perfect. The dazzling magenta, perfect. Lord, Lord, Lord. The peacock cells, the lacing in the cells, and the little bit of negative space at the top. Y'all know me. This reminds me of like a sunset on the ocean type of thing. Look at that. All right, guys, don't forget to scrape your bottom. You want to get those drips off. Thank you guys for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and press the like button and subscribe button. I am also working on my website release, and it's gonna have a lot of goodies up there. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.